Hey everybody, how are you tonight? Today's video, I am going, my nose is itchy, excuse me. The allergies are crazy here, but anyway, that's not what this video is about, right? Okay, so, I was about to put neem oil all over my face because it's so good for lines and wrinkles. However, I kept thinking, well, yeah, it's good for lines and wrinkles, but what if that hits my chin hair? What if it hits here, even here? Am I going to awaken the follicles and just grow hair, right? Or is it only for the scalp? Like, that's stuff I have to think about. So, yeah, so I'm gonna ask all of you, do you know anything about neem oil bringing out the hair in your facial? Like facial hair, bringing out facial hair. That's what I need to know. So I am not using this tonight because I am scared that I'm gonna wake up in the morning with a nice little beard. And as many of you know, I have been getting my beard lasered and my mustache. So what I'm going to do instead is, first of all, I have a little bit of coffee grinds here. Coffee grounds. And I'm going to wet them a little bit, just so it looks like, you know, like used coffee. Okay. I have a paper towel here. I like taking a brand new paper towel to dry my face. That's the way I roll, and that's the way I roll. Some people like the terry cloth towels. That's up to you. I have a nice clean paper towel. I keep in a nice clean spot on my counter. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to pin up my hair. Take off my glasses. Pin up my hair, double chin alert, and that's okay too. Although it doesn't look that bad because I got a really, really good angle going. So yeah, so okay, I have no makeup on my face whatsoever. So I'm going to wet my face, just like so, just like that, just like that. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the wet coffee. Grounds. I only drink it, I don't eat it, okay? So I don't need to know if it's grounds or grinds. And I'm going to place it on my face. Oh, feels so good. You can actually feel the dead skin just rolling away. I'm looking for baby butt skin. No, seriously, you don't want to do it too hard because you don't want to dry out your skin. But I know it sounds like it's hard. It really isn't. You're just hearing the sounds from the coffee grounds on my face. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, this definitely stimulates blood cells as well. I don't like putting them on top of my eye. It's a little too close for comfort. I don't need any of the grounds in my eye, so it's never happened before. Let's hope it doesn't happen now. It's so weird. You can feel residue. Anything on your face, like you can feel. And it doesn't matter how light your exfoliate. It doesn't matter how light you're exfoliating your face is going to turn a little red, only because it's abrasive. You can do your neck. Okay, I don't want to do too much, but I know when I do this, I wake up in the morning and I don't have to put any foundation on because my skin looks dewy. Not duty. Dewy. Get it? Did you get that? Because right now it looks like duty, but no. We're going to wash it up. So this is how I roll. I think there's a ground in my eye. Wait a minute. Oh, there is. There's a grind in her. Okay. Alright, ready? Got that sucker out. Got that little mother out. Okay, so you have to be more careful. Feels like a baby's booty. That's my phone. Hold up. Sorry before we were rudely interrupted. Get all those grands off. Get them all. Oh, this is such a great exfoliator, and caffeine is actually really, really good for your skin. It actually is supposed to plump up the wrinkles, and that's what I want. I think, I don't know. For me, I'm 50. I mean, of course I have wrinkles down here, but I really feel that my skin is still tight on my face. Let's not go to the other places because that don't seem tight. Get them off. Get these grounds off. Oh. Yes. Yes. And look at my lashes. My lashes are still applied because I got that lash lift. Amazing. Look at this. It's a little wet, but they're applied. I never have to curl my lashes anymore. Oh, love it. Okay, I guess that's it. Shut that off. Take your clean paper towel, okay? I don't like to rub. I like to blot. Okay. Just like that. Feels so good. Feels really, really. Oh, ground in my hair. Okay. It's basically dry. Okay, make sure your fingernails are clean. Everything is clean. Now I'm going to take the moringa oil. Moringa. That's how I say it. Moringa oil. I really should take this whole cap off, but I know if I do, the whole thing will spill. Oh no, I got it. Oh, there you go. Okay. I was pulling it off with the cap on it. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to take some drops. Let's smell it. It smells like licorice, so this definitely has a better smell than the neem. And I am going to put on just like that. Oh. And just put it all over. That's it. Your face will be so hydrated. Forget it. In the morning, you're going to feel your face. Now, you have to wash this off in the morning, but your face feels so good. And you can put this in your face cream. Like if you have a moisturizer, you can put a couple of drops of moringa oil in your, I know, I'm not with the hands. Moringa oil in your moisturizing cream. And then place it on your face. Come on. Even with the neem oil, oh. Even with the neem oil, you could take a couple of drops, put it in your shampoo, and it just is going to be better for you. That's it. It's on. They say go up, because you don't want to go this way. You want everything to go up, up with the chin, up with the chin. That's it. Up with the eyes, up with the eyes, up with the eyes. And that's it. And that is my nighttime routine with a moringa oil. Moringa oil. Anyway, guys, I hope you had an amazing time with me as I did my nighttime routine. I will not use the coffee grounds every single day, as that will definitely dry out my skin, and I'm not all about that. I'm into moisturizing my skin. So I will do that maybe once a week, maybe two, pushing it, but like very far apart. And yeah, in between that, I will use a nice gentle, maybe like a gentle foam cleanser. I know Neutrogena has one out, so I just might have to do that, but always use the moringa oil. And I'll see you all in my next video. Links for moringa oil will be down below. Just click down below and you will get your moringa oil. Have a great day, guys. Have a great night. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Oh, you're still there. Bye-bye.